Hi friends, hope you heard about client specific background verification. The client specific background verification is slightly different from as usual background verification. When you join in the new company, the organization will do organization standard background verification, that as usual your background verification, your previous employment address verification. But in client specific background verification, along with your standard organization background verification, which means your work history and previous organization verification, as well as your address verification, including that they will do drug test. You need to give your sample. Drug test will be conducted by one of the authorized lab people will connect with you, and they will get you sample and they will do the drug test. If drug test positive, you cannot join in that company. Even from the organization itself, not only in client side, from the organization itself they will fire you. If your drug test is negative, you will be joining the company, you will be in the project. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you face any background verification related problems, welcome to connect with me. Have a wonderful day. Take care.